Brown has avoided those early timeouts of late, unlike in his first couple of seasons on the bench when he had a proclivity to call early timeouts, sometimes a minute into the game.
Well, that was intentional, right? New coach trying to get a message across to his players. He has a lot more faith and trust in these players now. As Keegan Murray gets the chase down block.
On the fly, Murray dunks it home. Oh, body snatching inside. I think that ankle's okay.
I think so. And to see him get that rear view block and take it the full length of the court and avoid James with the chase down block, and that is something he does well.
LeBron had him on the scope. Here's James for three. And he cashes out. Lakers up by 8 early here. Aaron Fox has yet to attempt a field goal in 4 minutes. Monk behind the Sabonis screen, he pulls.
And that's a great shot. I mean, Sacramento getting some really good looks within their offense, just not knocking things down here in the early goings of the quarter.
James took a couple of days off, 2 games off, and draws the foul there underneath against DeRozan. And he has been refreshed and revitalized.
Speaking of refreshed and revitalized, Keegan Murray missed his first game of the season Monday against Timberland. This is how he's come out looking tonight. You're right. I think that ankle, that foot, whatever he was dealing with, which wasn't really, it was something where he just woke up that morning and there was some soreness there. He is recovered and looking good.
Interesting that he said that he injured it during the Houston game a little while ago. And
Yan, shoutout po sa 15,000 viewers natin, no? Sa mga nag-avail po ng NBA, PM lang sa page natin. Ayan, 349 na lang mga bossing sa mga bibili sa comment. Sa mga gusto po mag-avail ng NBA League Pass, 349, wait lang, lalagay ko yung link sa pin comment, no? Ayan, 349 pesos mga boss, premium account, no? Kaya, wait lang ha. Ayan, nasa pin comment po, guys. Ayan na, nagano na ako guys, 349 mga bossing. Yung link sa pin comment, wait lang po ha, lalagay ko. Ayan, click nyo na yan mga boss, ang ating main page sa baba, 349 lang. Tuloy-tuloy na po tayo sa pag-avail. Ayan, 20 slot available sa mga gusto mag-avail mga boss. Ayan, 349 na lang mga boss para sa inyo. Ayan. Paunahan na lang po mag-send mga boss yung GCash natin, double check lang, no? Double check lang, no? Para tuloy-tuloy tayo. Ayan, thank you po sa mga nag-a-avail. Ayan, log in na po kayo mga boss ha, sa mga nag-a-avail sa ating live. You know, thank you po mga bossing. Ayan, thank you mga boss sa mga nag-a-avail sa ating live. Ayan, 349 na lang guys ha, 349 hanggang finals. Let's go.
As well, 6 rebounds and 3 blocks. And Mark, as he continues in the starting lineup and becomes more comfortable, that was his 7th straight start. Not only are we seeing the potential of this Kings offense,
right,
but I feel that Malik is starting to show another level of his confidence, which I didn't think was possible.
it's already off the charts.
Yes.
Now it's off the radar. Monk's playmaking becoming even a bigger part of the Kings offense, which has been supercharged since he entered the starting lineup amongst the top 5 in the NBA. After the James foul shot, 10-point lead. They post it up to Sabonis.
Yeah, this is the first time they're touching Maine via Domas.
Monk working against Reeves. A long 2 by Sabonis. And 1 and done for the Kings that time. The Lakers defense, which they've worked on over the last several days, has been pretty good so far.
Well, and it's something that has been improving over the last few games as well, but even go back about 10 and you start to see improvement as Max Christie knocks down that corner pocket 3.
So the Sacramento Kings with some early game woes for the 2nd consecutive game. Nice cut by Sabonis for the punch.
And that's the key right there, is being able to touch paint. I mean, you know, this Lakers team defensively, they're long. They're going to take up a lot of space. You cannot settle for outside shots against this Los Angeles Lakers squad.
Good defense by Murray to push James all the way out to the wing. Now Sabonis switches on to him. They found the mismatch, Katie.
Yes, and you know that is a difficult matchup for Keegan to square off against Anthony Davis on that low block, but the Kings need to just keep plugging away at this. We saw them come back from 23 down in the first quarter on Monday against the Nuggets, so they just quite haven't found their flow here. Maybe that shot by DeMar will open the floodgates.
11-point Laker lead to start the game here. Fox on Reeves. Around the staggered screen, got to the rim and lays it home. DeRozan on the fly, right back at you. And that's what Sacramento did so well last year that we haven't seen quite as much this season as running after a make.
Yeah, we haven't seen it with consistency, right? Denver, they did an excellent job the other night. You go back to the first matchup against the Lakers, they did an excellent job in that game as well. But the Lakers want to slow down the pace of the game. They've got some older guys, one of them holding the ball right now, going to set the minutes record tonight.
Yeah.
You want to try and get up and down on this team.
Here's Fox into the front court. Little hezzy on Christie. And Anthony Davis showing you why he's an MVP candidate. Lost the ball. Fox and one. Well, the ball finds energy, and Fox had some positive energy in that sequence.
Well, that
Ayan, time out tayo guys. No? Shoutout po sa mga viewers natin. Sa mga gusto po mag-avail ng League Pass, 349 lang guys. 20,000 viewers last. 21 slot na lang po available. PM na sa pin comment, no?
DeRozan going up for this midi right there. If we can get him into a flow, that's going to be really important. And we know that he has added motivation as well to play against this Lakers squad.
Sabonis with 3 consecutive triple-doubles against Los Angeles. D'Angelo Russell checking to the ball game for J.J. Redick. 8-point lead for the Lakers. Herter in the ball game as well for Sacramento. Pocket pass to Davis. Reeves sprays it out to Russell. A quick catch and shoot is short. Hachimura stood down on the pump fake. Herter laces it.
Kevin Herter injuring that surgically repaired shoulder after taking a hit in that New Orleans spot. It's nice to start getting guys healthy back, getting bodies on the floor for Mike Brown, but to see Kevin step in and immediately knock down his first try.
And Reeves counters with a 3 at the other end. The lead back up to 8. Yeah, Herter missed that game with the shoulder soreness. Same surgically repaired shoulder. Sabonis knocks down the 3. Shooting 43% from deep on the season.
And it seems to be that way so often. One or two guys start struggling out the gate, everyone's struggling, but as soon as someone starts knocking down a shot or two, everyone's confidence is raised.
Ball comes back to Reeves, back out to Hachimura. Tipped up. Davis kept it alive. Loose ball.
Oh my goodness.
Herter double teamed. Swarmed. Comes out to Monk. Kings on the move. DeRozan inside.
So
Timeout.
pretty.
Ganda na laban mga bossing. Shoutout sa 21,000 viewers natin. No? Ayan, maraming salamat. Peña Flor Ruiz, thank you po sa mga nag-a-avail sa ating NBA League Pass. Kay Jomel Edrosolano, ayan, maraming salamat idol, no? Ayan, thank you mga idol sa mga nag-a-avail. Ayan, thank you po kay Idol JR Perez. Salamat sa pag-avail bossing, no? Ng League Pass natin. Ayan, nakasale na po tayo guys. 349 na lang, no? Yung link nasa pin comment, mga idol. Ayan. Ayan. Salamat guys. Ayan. 349 guys. Paunahan na lang mga boss. 19 slot available po sa ating promo, no? Kung kayo ay nag-a-avail, diretso na agad sa pin comment bossing. 19 slot na lang po mga boss. Malapit na pong maubos. Ayan, sa mga gusto po mag-avail ng League Pass, ayan, para solo nyo yung live mga bossing, PM lang sa page natin sa pin comment, no? Ayan, shoutout nga pala kay JR De La Rosa. Ayan, thank you, idol. Ayan, thank you. 18,000 viewers yung link nasa pin comment. Ayan, 18 slot na lang guys, 18 slot, no? Ayan. Kaya limited slot na lang po mga bossing. Ayan, sa mga nag-avail guys, diretso na sa pin comment. Ayan, like and share ha guys ha. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-avail, avail na po kayo mga boss. 17,000. Shoutout kay Lester Donato. Salamat sa pag-avail idol. Kaya login ka na boss no. Ayan, 17 slot na lang po mga boss, 17 slot. Send na agad ng payment sa ating GCash. Ayan. Nagme-message po ako idol. Let's go.
Stream the biggest moments from the best
Na, paki-PM lang yung link sa pin comment sa mga gustong mag-avail ng 349 mga boss. PM lang, limited slot na lang po mga boss.
type of year for the Lakers. Off to a great start at 10-4 through the middle part and late part of November, but since that part slumping to 4-8. And at that time, LeBron James actually looked mortal during some stretches, took a few days off.
Ayan guys, 349 po, legit yan hanggang final sa mga nagtatanong. Marami na po tayong buyer, mga bossing. PM nyo lang yung link natin for confirmation, no? Let's go.
James getting a breather right now. Ellis in the ball game for Sacramento off the bench for Mike Brown. Davis flips the screen for Reeves. Gabe Vincent from nearby Stockton knocks down the baseline three. Vincent telling me prior to tip-off tonight, he's got about some 20 family members from nearby Stockton visiting him, mom and dad, here at the game tonight.
Not only is he kind of a local kid, as you just said, he's
I know
also
I
a
know it's next.
gaucho. So I tip my hat and say ole, my friend.
UCSB in the house. Loose ball. Good hustle by Keon Ellis. But it's out of bounds, Lakers basketball.
And that's something that Keon Ellis consistently brings to the game. When he steps on the floor, whether he's in that starting lineup, which he has been throughout different points of this season, or if he's coming off the bench, he really does an excellent job of providing the energy, the effort, the spark. And, you know, if you're Mike Brown, that's something to really have as a luxury to rely on.
He's been a real pro. And they get the 8-second violation, a result of the tenacious ball pressure from Ellis that time.
Nothing better than a player proving your point.
Yeah, how about that?
Right as you're making it.
Yep. There seems to be a little bit of an uptick across the NBA in three-quarter court and even full court pressure sometimes. Ellis doing a great job of it there. Each team has given it away 3 times. Herter made the last one, that one a little bit strong. And here's Reeves. Anthony Davis did his work early, Katie. I know it's a big, you can appreciate that.
Absolutely, and that gives me a little bit of a flashback to Monday night. Aaron Gordon did the same thing when the Nuggets were in town, trying to get DeMar DeRozan isolated down there on the cross match tonight here, though. I don't think that we're going to see that as a drawn-up play.
Keegan Murray and Alex Len getting ready to come back in for Coach Brown. Hashimura from the baseline. Mike Brown calls timeout. The Kings falling down by double digits at 11.
Maraming salamat kay Mark Quintana. Yan guys, 17 slot na lang po ang available natin, no? Sa mga nag-avail po ng League Pass, 17 slot na lang mga bossing. Kaya kung gusto nyo po makanood ng hanggang finals, i-PM nyo lang ang link sa pin comment. Ayan, thank you po sa mga nag-avail. Send na agad ng 349 at isend sa pin comment, bossing, no? Pagka-send nyo mga boss. Para tuloy-tuloy tayo guys at ma-send ko na yung account nyo mga boss. Send na agad mga lodi yan. Tulad ni Idol Rowell Ayadi, salamat. Sinend niya lang yung payment niya sa pin comment after niya magbayad, no? Ayan. Tapos sinend ko naman yung account niya. Ayan. Comment sa live bossing ha. Para sa legit check. Ayan. Sa mga nagpapa-legit check, pwede po kayo magpa-shoutout bago magbayad, no? Thank you, Idol. Ayan, salamat, idol. Ayan, sa mga gusto po mag-avail, let's go. PM na, bossing, sa pin.
Including this game tonight. Fox back in the ball game. They run some 45 action for Fox. Got a great look. Couldn't convert it. Another opportunity, the result of another Murray offensive rebound. Fox overcooks another one.
And again, listen, I mean, I feel like when they've had their best offense against this Lakers team is when they touch the paint, when they get the ball, break that defense, make them have to collapse on you. And then you've got those open threes. You've got some really good shots that come out of that.
De'Aaron Fox up to a slow start offensively, 1 of 4 from the field. And Bill Kennedy says the Lakers have caused an infraction here, delay of game called against them.
Took a while checking players into the game, and we know that Bill Kennedy is a by the book kind of guy. Not going to take any of that.
Great to see Jay Crowder take the rookie as well. Gabe Vincent hasn't shot the ball well this year, but knocks down another jumper.
Really hasn't shot the ball all that well in a Lakers uniform, but his last 2 years in Miami really was a great perimeter shooter for them.
That's how he got paid. Fox sprays it out to Ellis. Neon Keon lighting up tonight here. The lead down to 11.
Feels to me like a game where Keon is going to find a way to leave a big imprint on this game.
They reposted to LeBron. Len comes over to show help. And they get the stop. Here's Ellis. They flow into some empty corner action, and that's going to be a foul against Gabe Vincent. Talked about him a moment ago, shooting just 28% from deep. Ellis, though, knocked down a 3 a moment ago.
Yeah, Keon shooting the ball very well from deep this season, over 40%. And I think, you know, if there's a criticism, is that he's not looking for that shot enough.
He shoots it right around 40%. Fox off to a cold start now, 1 of 5. James surveys, was looking at connect, instead decides on Russell. Around the world, and the float game is good. Kings finding themselves in a hole again in the first quarter. Down 13, Alex Len draws the foul on the second one, and 1. I heard a whistle on the first attempt, not to be. The three-point play. That foul against Koloko.
And just getting deep, kind of forcing that defense to rotate. He's got the dump pass there to Alex Len. Not able to get the first one to go, but on the second chance opportunity, he's got a chance for 3.
Koloko with the rebound off the miss. Kings giving up an inordinate amount of points again in the first quarter, like they did against Denver. Baseline cut by Connect. No connection there. Hurry into the front court, working against James. Got the blow by, but good help defensively. James with the bounce pass. Russell with the lane.
And the Lakers have just had really staunch defense at the rim in this game in the early going so far. First quarter, what is it, 4 blocks or more?
Fox with 1 field goal so far. Draws the contact, and he'll get a trip to the foul line. The foul will go against D'Angelo Russell. That's going to be his first personal foul.
And
Fox going to the free throw line.
Russell wondering where he got him. Well, he got him on the hip. That's what De'Aaron Fox does so well. He gets by his defender, and as they're trying to catch up, he goes up into that shot, and they are completely off balance.
Hey, All-Star voting is open now. Help send De'Aaron, Domas, and DeMar to the NBA All-Star Game 2025 in San Francisco. Learn more about the voting process and get your pre-filled ballot with all the Kings players at kings.com/vote. They make it easy
I
for
voted
you.
today. I voted through the NBA app. I mean, it's easy. There's so many different ways to do it. Yes, that time of year again, absolutely.
Vote early and often. James out top, 8 on the shot clock. LeBron against Keegan Murray. Good help by Herter. Good denied defense on the wing by Ellis to tip it out of bounds with 1.5 to go on the shot clock.
He's really been fantastic here in the first quarter as Keon Ellis, but as a team, this was a great deflection right there. I like the pressure.
Russell got it off in time, didn't draw iron. Sacramento gets the stop with plenty of time. 10.2 to go. And Sabonis is going to check back into the ball game for offensive purposes.
And 10 seconds, almost 11 for De'Aaron Fox. It's like an eternity. He could go down and back in that time.
A few times. Scored 3 baskets. Here he is. They only need 1. Fox had it knocked away on the back tap out of bounds. It'll stay Sacramento basketball with 4.9 to go. Here's Sabonis. Back to Fox for the slam. Oh, you love to see it. The most dangerous player, Katie, you know, is the inbounder a lot of times, and it pays.
Ayan guys, end of the first quarter, ganda laban, 37-28. Kaya sa mga gusto po mag-avail ng league pass natin guys, sa pin